Today's topic is visual styles in Sketchup. So guys, let's start. So first thing you need to check is go to Windows, then default tray, and make sure that your styles window is on. So here on the right side of my screen, you can see the styles window. In this you will see the many styles like assorted styles, color sets. So from this drop down list, you'll have to select the main style. Okay, so right now I will select assorted styles. So this is the list of assorted style. So if you keep your cursor on that particular icon, uh, you'll get the names of all the styles. Okay, so I'm switching on this watercolor paper with pencil, so you can see how my visual style is changed.
So this was about how you select the styles, and now we'll check how to edit the styles. So first option in edit is the edge setting. So you have to click here for the edge settings. So basically you can select all the properties of edges. The first one is edges. So you can select if you want to see the edges or not. So this is with edges on and this is with edges off. So you can select how you want. So when I'm clicking on this option, there are few more options which are related to edges. So first is the back edges. So you can select if you want to see the back edges or not. Then the profiles. By clicking on profiles, you can see uh, these profiles are coming. Then the depth cube. I'll zoom in more so you can have a closer look. So this is a depth cube. Then extension. You can see these extension lines. So right now the unit which is already there, it is in mm. So it is 7 mm right now. I can make it 15 mm just to show how it works. So this is to give more of a sketchy effect. So I don't need it. I don't need extension right now. Then the endpoints. By clicking on endpoints, you can see these small points have come. Then this jitter. So very fine lines will also come when you click on this jitter. Then the dashes. So this was about the edges. Now there is one more way you can select these options. So you need to go to view and edge styles, and from here also you can see. And now let's check the face settings. So in face settings we have front color and back color. So these are related to this type, the fifth one. So first we'll check out these 5 styles and this extra option. So in this 5 styles, the first option is wireframe. So when we select this wireframe option, you can see all the edges and profiles are same, but faces are not same. The second one is hidden line. So in hidden line option, your faces will be seen but without shades and texture. The next option is shaded mode. In the shaded mode, the colors will be seen, the shades will be seen, but the textures will not be seen. So the images will not be seen, which you use for any particular material. The next is shaded using textures. See now, wooden texture has appeared when we switch on this mode. The next is display shaded using all same. There will be only two colors in this view. So the front color is white one and the back color is this blue one. Let's check out this X-ray option. Can you see this? So in X-ray option, this is how it looks. In this, we can select material transparency. Go to view option, then face style, and there also you get all these options. The next option in edit is the background setting. So in background setting, there are three elements. First is the background, then sky and ground. So first is this background color. I'll show you how it works. Supposing I want a black background for my model. So I need to click on this color, and select whichever color I want. Click on OK. And you can see the background color has changed to black. So now I will change that to white. You can see the changes are done. Now the next thing is sky. So how we look at the sky. So if you look from the ground level, you will be able to see the sky. So my sky is of this light blue color right now. I want to make it a darker blue. So clicking on OK, and you can see my sky color is changed. Now same I will do for ground. First I need to check this ground, take this ground on, then go to this. I want green color here. So let's do that. Can you see that? Now it is easy to differentiate. Option is for. This is now off. When I'm clicking this on, from below we can see the ground. When I'm turning this off, we can't see the ground from below. And from here we can adjust the transparency of ground. So in modeling settings, these are the color codes. So for example, if we select any object, it is highlighted in blue color. So this blue is there. Suppose if I want that uh, in yellow, I can change that. Then when I'm selecting anything, it will be seen as yellow. I'll keep my previous settings as it is. Same, you can change color of log object, then guides, inactive section, active section, section fill, etc. From here, you can select the visibility of hidden geometry, hidden objects, color by tag, model access, section planes. Supposedly, I want to see the section planes. So I'm taking this on and my section planes will be seen. So you can switch on or off section planes by going to view also. Same for the hidden geometry and hidden objects. Go to view and there you will see these two options, hidden geometry and hidden objects. Also the section fill and section cut options.